In our today's video, we are going to discuss chainsaw wood carving design ideas and its benefit and what can you create with chainsaw with a wood log. Thanks for being here and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Chainsaw wood carving is a popular form of art that involves the use of chainsaw to carve and design out of wood. With its ability to remove large amount of material quickly, the chainsaw is a powerful tool that allows artists to create intricate and detailed design in a relatively short amount of time. In this video, we will explore some chainsaw wood carving design ideas that can inspire your creativity and help you to create stunning work of art. Wildlife is a popular theme in chainsaw wood carving. From bear and eagles to wolves and deers, there are many elements that can be carved into wood using a chainsaw. A skilled artist can create incredibly detailed design that capture the essence of these animals, bringing them to life in a way that is both beautiful and impressive. When carving wildlife, it's important to pay attention to the natural lines and the curves of the animal body. A chainsaw can be used to create texture and depth, while smaller carving tool can be used to more intricate details such as fur, feathers, and the scales. Consider using different type of wood to create contrasting color and textures such as light and the dark wood or wood with different grains. You can also create a mythical creature with chainsaw and the wood log. Mythical creatures such as dragon, unicorn, and griffin are another popular theme in chainsaw wood carving. These creatures allow artists to explore their creativity and imagination, creating designs that are both unique and captivating. The sharp edge and the rough texture of chainsaw can be used to create sense of danger and mystique, while more delicate carving tool can be used to create intricate details such as scale, horn, or the feathers. When carving mythical creature, it's important to pay attention to the overall shapes and the proportion of the design. A skilled artist can create a sense of movement and action, making it appear as though the creature in the mind of a battle and soaring through the air. Consider using different type of wood to create contrast between the texture and its surroundings to create sense of age and wisdom. The human figures can be challenging to carve using a chainsaw, but they can also be incredibly rewarding. A skilled artist can create a design that captures the human form in a way that is both realistic and artistic, from simple minimalist design to more intricate and detailed pieces. These are many ways to approach human figure carving with chainsaw. When carving human figure, it's important to pay attention to the overall shape and the proportion of the designer. A chainsaw can be used to create a basic form of the figure, while small carving tool can be used to create more delicate details such as facial feature or clothing. Consider using different type of wood to create contrast and texture, or to highlight specific part of the figure such as faces and the hands. Nature scenes such as forest, mountain, and river can be stunning when carved using a chainsaw. These designs can be simple or complex depending upon the skill level of the artist and the amount of detail they want to include. A skilled artist can create a design that capture the natural beauty of world around us, bringing a sense of tranquility and the space to the space. When carving natural scene, it's important to pay attention to the natural line and shapes of the environment. A chainsaw can be used to create a basic form of the sense, while small carving tools can be used to create a more intricate details such as leaves, rock, or water. Consider using different types of wood to create contrast and the texture, or to highlight specific part of a scene such as the sky or the water. The abstract design can be some of the most challenging and rewarding design to create using chainsaw. These designs allow artists to explore their creativity and the imagination. Here is our today's video. I hope you have enjoyed our video. Thanks for being here, and do subscribe our YouTube channel to achieve us the milestone of 1000 subscribers. And your response toward my channel is phenomenal. I'm very thankful to you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, and keep watching and keep sharing.